Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, a video that I'm going to be filming my work makeup tutorial. My work makeup look is very simple, very easy, and you look a little bit glam up for work. No lashes, no eyeliner, none of that. You're just feeling hydrated for the 8 hours and feeling less makeup. You don't have to worry about your makeup. Somewhat you may have to do a little touch up depending on your lipstick, what kind you wear obviously, and depending on the products. Basically if you're working in the office or inside a building, you don't have to worry about your makeup that much. But if you're outside and to worry about your touch up, it's very easy, and I feel so comfortable wearing these products for work because normally one time I wear lashes to work. Normally I'm not very good at applying lashes, but I feel more comfortable wearing it inside at home, or especially if I'm going out shopping for a few hours or movies or dinner, stuff like that, because you know that you're going to be out for maybe 4 hours or maybe less. To be showing you my work makeup look. If you guys are new, my name is Talia Reyes and welcome to my channel. You guys are always welcome, and I'm so glad you guys are part of this video. It really means a lot, guys. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just hit the red button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any videos of mine. Alright guys, so let's just get started with the video, shall we? As you can see, I'm wearing my clips, and I'm actually going to put on this the Context Vitamin C All Day Cream. I am in the morning. I like to apply this because you're waking up, you have to look sort of like wide awake, and you don't want to look very I don't know, like a zombie, let's put it that way. Especially if you're working in a business or a huge company or office, that you definitely want to look pretty much alive. So I'm just putting it under my eyes just to lift up my bags, so I won't look so tiring. And I'm gonna go in with my SmashBox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Basically for this primer, I'm actually going to apply it around my cheeks or nose, and then the forehead, and then the chin. That was funny. Just keep massaging gently. This is what I normally do every day for work. Sometimes I like to change it up a little bit with the eyeshadow look. It's just a habit for me. I wake up early on time. And the foundation I'm gonna go with is my It Cosmetic foundation. This one is the shade Light. I'm just gonna apply it on my face. I don't want too much foundation going on, so I'm just applying just a little bit. I'm gonna take my beauty sponge, and I'm just gonna spray it with my Mario Badescu. This one is Cucumber and Green Tea. I do want my face to be a little bit hydrated, just stay nice and cooling and very healthy for my face. I'm just gonna blend it in with my face. I love the smell of cucumbers. It smells so good, and your face feels very cooling, hydrated. I don't know, I just love the feeling of it. And it's okay if you kind of apply, on your eyebrows. I'm doing my eyebrows in a bit, so I know I shouldn't be doing that, but sometimes we change a few things, techniques. Next, for concealer, I'm going to apply my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and this one is the shade Fair. And I'm just gonna apply it down the bridge of my nose and then on my chin. The same sponge. I'm just gonna blend everything in. And I did spray my sponge just so it can feel very hydrated. And then I'm just gonna blend in the under eyes as well, because I feel like I do have eye bags, and even though I have been sleeping pretty late, around 12 midnight. I know for many of you it might sound early, but for me it's pretty late. I like to have some sleep because I like to wake up early tomorrow morning. You know, wake up, make breakfast, take my dog out for a walk, you know, be a little active, errands, and plus I work early, so I just like to get things done. And I am gonna apply concealer like in my eyelid just to like prime it. Just gonna blending. And then to set my under eyes, my nose, my chin, and my lid, I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in Fair to Light. And be careful, because these are pretty messy, and you know, you don't want to get your whole entire room dirty. Take the sponge and be careful as you apply it. Just make sure you apply it on your nose. Like around your nose as well, because I feel like I made a mess. And then on my chin as well. So then I'm just gonna apply it like under my under eye. I'm gonna apply it on my lid as well. So while that bakes, I'm gonna go in and start with my eyebrows. I am gonna go in with my NYX brow pencil. This one is the shade Expresso, and I don't want it to be too much, you know, just make it more easier. So I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows, and obviously I have my mirror right here. So if I'm staring kind of like this way, it's because I have my mirror. And then I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Concealer, and I'm actually just going to get a little bit, and then I'm just going to highlight the top of it. And then I'm just going to highlight the underbrow, just to get kind of sort of shape. And then it's not really necessary, but I am going to go in with the NYX Tame Frame. This is a tinted brow pomade. And this one is the shade Expresso. I'm going to take my e.l.f. Small Angle Brush Definer, and I'm just going to fill it in. Like I said, it's not really necessary, but if you have time, then yes, you can fill it in with your pomade just to make it look more nicer if you like. Then I'm just going to like brush it just so it can get that defined look. To set my whole face, I'm just going to go back in with the Maybelline Loose Powder. And I'm just going to take my Wet n Wild brush. And then I'm just going to like set the whole face. And then dust everything that you apply, the nose, the under eyes. Make sure you close your eyes so that way you won't poke your eye, because I already done it like tons of time. And I always poke my eyes. My eyebrows don't come out the way I wanted to, because sometimes this eyebrow has less hair than the other eyebrow, and it just really annoys me, because why can't eyebrows come out perfect? Like, I'm just like very like upset, you know. Next, I'm just gonna go in with my butter bronzer formula. It smells so freaking delicious. And I'm just gonna go in with my Real Technique stribbling brush, and I'm just gonna bronze up my face. Blush, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte blush. This one is Moment Blush. Pretty blush. And then for the eyes, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Flirt palette. And this eye look is gonna be very, very simple, nothing too much going on. Gonna take Glaze, which is this shade right here. And then for this, I'm just gonna apply this as my transition shade. You know what's so funny? That Mondays are basically a new week, a new day, and you start fresh, you know, because it's Monday. But for some reason, I don't like Mondays at all. I wake up like not wanting to get up for work, not do anything. I just want to stay in bed all day. I don't know why, but for some reason, I don't know, like I try to get ready, but I just don't have the energy for Mondays. I don't like Mondays at all. The best week for me to start my day and get ready will be like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Those are my, because Tuesday is my day off, you just stay home, be lazy. But Mondays, oh Lord, Mondays, not a Monday person. But I do get my coffee, that's for sure. I'm gonna be going in with Hotline, which is this shade right here. And then for this one, I'm gonna go like top of the lid and then kind of like blend it with the gaze. The other eye, just keep on blending. Just gonna go in with my cucumber brush, and then I'm just gonna spray my brush. I'm gonna go back in with the palette, and then I'm going to take Passion, which is this shade right here. And then for this one, I'm just gonna apply the whole entire lid. Just to have a little glam up in your eyes, you know, so it won't be very plain and boring, but also you want to look cute and professional at work. Go in with Playful, which is this shade right here. And for this one, I'm definitely going to apply in the outer corner just to like have some kind of like smoky in the end, you know. And then with the Fluffy brush, I'm just gonna go in with Glaze. And I'm just gonna blend all the colors together. That way it can be some kind of defining in the look. I'm gonna go in with Hotline. And I'm going to apply them a bottom lash line. Now I'm gonna go in with Touch, which is this shade right here, more like a glitter. And I'm gonna mix it with Passion. And then I'm just gonna apply this like kind of in the inner corner. And then the next shade I'm going to take is Snuggle, which is this shade right here. And this one basically I'm just gonna put it in the outer corner. Okay, so that's basically it for the eyes. Now we're gonna start off with our mascara. For mascara, I'm gonna be taking my Ulta Maximum Lashes mascara. I love this mascara so much. It works so good, and it just makes my lashes very nice and long. And I'm definitely not gonna wear no lashes because you want to feel and look comfortable at work. That is the main key when you're going to work, guys. You don't want to look too much going on where you feel comfortable and people are just gonna stare at you. Cause trust me, I already been through that kind of issue before. They're like, where are you going, Talia? Nowhere. I just decided to glam up. Apply mascara in my bottom lashes. And then for highlighter, I'm just gonna go in my Glow Kit Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I think I want to try something different, so I'm gonna go in with this shade. And then I'm just gonna apply it on my nose. Down the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow. And a little bit on the chin. For the lips, I'm gonna go in with Lorac lipstick, and this one is the Hearties. I don't know why, but I am so obsessed with new lipsticks or lip mattes. I just love the color nude, especially like light brown shades. I just love it. I feel like with darker shades like dark brown, mocha, or like a red lipstick or burgundy, I feel very shy to show it off out. I just feel like I feel more comfortable or more me when it comes to new lipsticks. And then for lip gloss, I'm just gonna use my Lorac. To set my whole face, I'm just gonna go in with the Mare Badescu, and this one is just like herbs and rose water. I just want to feel very hydrated, not too much. This is the final look. I really love this type of looks because they're really easy to do for like work when you're in a hurry. You don't really have to do that much on your eyeshadow, but somewhat if you're not applying eyeliner or lashes, you can just definitely go like this. And this is actually really simple and I love it. You kind of like glam up and flirty, but also you look very nice and professional for work. Typical tops that I wear for work, because like I said, I do work in the office and somewhat you have to look okay and appropriate for work. But so this is what I normally do. Nothing too much going on my face, just like mascara and just like my eyebrows. Pretty much this is what I do. So I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.